Imagine your nerves are trying to repair, but inflammation keeps throwing up roadblocks. Health warriors, what if one of the best natural allies for your nerve pain relief was already sitting in your spice rack? I'm talking about turmeric. It's not a miracle cure, but it sweeps away inflammation, calms pain, and clears those roadblocks, paving the way for your nerves to do what they're designed to do: repair, regenerate, and restore. And today, I'll show you how. Turmeric has been treasured in Ayurvedic medicine for over 4,000 years, but modern science shows it's more than just tradition. When it comes to nerve pain and neuropathy, turmeric works behind the scenes in some powerful ways. First, let's talk inflammation. Chronic inflammation is like a wildfire burning through your nerves, keeping them from repairing the way they should. The compounds in turmeric, called curcuminoids, act like firefighters. Yes, curcumin is the star you've probably heard about, but turmeric actually contains a whole family of healing agents, including turmerones and zingiberine. These work together to calm the nerve flares. Curcuminoids block inflammatory enzymes like COX and LOX and shut down cytokines, the messengers that drive pain and nerve damage. And that's not all. Turmeric is also one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that would otherwise chew holes in your nerves. On top of that, it boosts glutathione, your body's master detoxifier and cellular protector. And here's where it gets really exciting. Turmeric doesn't just protect, it helps rebuild. Studies show turmeric ramps up BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and NGF, nerve growth factor. Think of these like Miracle-Gro for your nervous system. They stimulate the growth and repair of new nerve cells, not just in your hands and feet, but in your brain and your spinal cord too. Research has even shown turmeric reduces the sticky beta amyloid plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease by up to 40%. And if you're dealing with the burning, stabbing pain of neuropathy, here's a huge bonus. Turmeric calms pain receptors to quiet the electrical zaps and ease those restless nights. So, when you hear people talk about turmeric for neuropathy and nerve regeneration, it's not hype, it's science. By lowering inflammation, protecting mitochondria, and sparking nerve regeneration, turmeric clears the way for your body's natural healing process to actually take place. Now, you've probably seen videos or blogs that say, all you need to do is sprinkle a little turmeric on your eggs or toss some ground turmeric into your dinner and poof, nerves heal like magic. But that simply isn't true. Here's the honest truth. It's impossible to eat enough turmeric to reach the therapeutic level your body needs for repair. Don't get me wrong, adding turmeric to meals supports overall wellness. But when it comes to healing nerve pain, your body needs therapeutic doses. That's where supplementation comes in. Research and clinical experience both point to a sweet spot: 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams of curcuminoids per day. That's the range most often used in studies for reducing inflammation, protecting nerves, and even preventing prediabetes from progressing into full-blown diabetes. In fact, in one double-blind placebo-controlled trial, patients taking 1,500 milligrams daily significantly improved their insulin sensitivity and protected their nerve health at the same time. And here's where turmeric shines behind the scenes. At therapeutic doses, curcuminoids boost glutathione, your body's master antioxidant and detoxifier. Glutathione shields your nerves from free radical damage. It clears toxins and supports the immune system so your cells can actually repair. It also strengthens your mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells. This matters because we now know many neuropathy cases involve mitochondrial damage, and turmeric helps restore their function. Now, let's clear up the biggest myth about turmeric: bioavailability. You've probably heard turmeric doesn't absorb well unless you take it with black pepper. And yes, piperine from pepper can boost absorption by up to 2,000%. But here's the exciting twist. Your gut microbiome can actually transform turmeric into active healing compounds on its own. So pepper helps, yes, but it isn't the make or break everyone makes it out to be. That said, If you struggle with gut issues like IBS, acid reflux, or even dysbiosis, adding a pinch of black pepper, or better yet, white pepper, is smart. White pepper actually has a bit more piperine and is often gentler on the stomach, making it a great alternative. Now, I know you'll ask, which supplement brands are worth it? These are the ones I personally trust for myself and my patients. Thorne Curcumin Phytosome, Gaia Herbs Turmeric Supreme, and Pure Encapsulation Curcumin 500. And here's a simple old school hack. If your supplement doesn't already contain piperine, swallow 1 peppercorn, black or white, right along with your capsule. The best part, turmeric is safe. The most common side effect at higher doses is mild stomach upset, which is nothing compared to the risks of prescription pain medications. Now, if you're wondering how to actually use turmeric in your daily life, whether it's golden milk, a smoothie, or cooking, don't worry, I've got you covered. We created a full-length video that shows exactly how to incorporate turmeric into your diet for nerve pain and inflammation relief. I'll leave the link below for you. Be sure to check that out after this video so you can start putting these healing tips into practice. So, health warriors, turmeric may not be a miracle cure, but it's a powerful ally. It lowers inflammation, boosts glutathione, supports mitochondria, and clears the way for your nerves to do what they're designed to do: repair, regenerate, and restore. Remember, you're not stuck with nerve pain. Healing is possible, and often it begins with simple, science-backed steps like this golden spice. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with others to help empower them on their healing journey. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so this video reaches more people in need of help and guidance along their healing journey. And don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. Blessings. Health warriors, remember this: it always seems impossible until it is done. That's a quote from Nelson Mandela. Think about it. For centuries, people believed the human body could never run a mile in under 4 minutes. Doctors and experts declared it's physically impossible. Then, in 1954, Roger Bannister shattered that barrier, and within just a year, many others followed. Or consider flight. The brightest minds once insisted humans would never leave the ground, but the Wright brothers proved them wrong in 1903, defying every critic and opening the skies. What once seemed impossible became possible, and the same is true for nerve healing. For decades, many were told nerves can't heal. Too often, doctors caught in outdated teaching or influenced by limitations of the system closed the door on possibility. But science has already shown us otherwise. Thousands of studies prove nerve regeneration is possible, and we've seen it firsthand. For over 20 years, we've walked beside neuropathy sufferers who were told there was no hope, only to watch them reverse their pain, reclaim their function, and get their lives back. So, don't give up. Never let anyone's disbelief define your future or become your reality. The research is there, the proof is clear, and most importantly, healing is possible. Health warriors, keep standing strong. What once seemed impossible is being done again and again, and you're paving the way to give others hope. For more empowering science-backed information to help you reverse nerve damage and reclaim your life, follow us here at The Nerve Doctors, where hope meets science and healing becomes a reality.